What's up mga queens, mga atis? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin pinakabagong pelikula na galing sa Viva Films at ito ay yung Nocturno at naglabas ang Viva ng teaser trailer para sa movie na to, and ang mga bida ng movie na to is no other than Nadine Lustre kasama sina Yula Valdez, Bea Benenes sa Wilbert Rose. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin, papapanood natin yung teaser trailer nitong movie, and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion on the said trailer. So, let's go!
Wala silang sinasabi sa akin. Pero alam ko ang nangyari kay Ate Jo. Kinuha siya ng mga kumakatok. Yung sumpa.
Anong
Who
sumpa?
Miguel Red, director and the leader.
Kapag nakuha mo yung sumpa, nagkakatok sa pintuan. Binuksan mo, tukunin ka nila.
Nocturno. Okay, tayo ko napanood natin yung teaser trailer ng movie na Nocturno na under the movie production na Viva Films, at ang bida ay si no other than Nadine Lustre, na masasabi ko the newest horror queen ng generation na to, because medyo sunod-sunod yung mga nagagawa niyang movie na horror film. And wow, and ano to, director nito is Miguel Red, the director behind the movie, very successful movie na The Leader. And yan, so we will expect something better or as good as The Leader, diba? To some trailer nakita natin, very dark. So as in, wala akong makitang talagang scene na na nasa daylight, mostly dark, mostly nasa dilim or gabi. And medyo nakafocus halos lahat kay na din yung trailer, and so far wala tayong masyadong makita talagang yung something na bibigay sa atin ng hint kung ano yung magiging istorya nito, but with the director sa actress na si Nadine, definitely it will be a good movie. And I hope sana hindi ito yung typical na horror film na napapanood natin na yung ghost story, mga gano'n, diba, na nakatipend sa jump scares, diba? And with the director naman na si Miguel Red, I'm sure na hindi lang siya nakatipend sa jump scare tulad ko sa theater, na it was really really good. It was well written, well directed, and well acted naman ang movie. So this one, patas ang expectation natin na makapag-deliver ulit ng isang magandang horror film itong si Direk Miguel Red. And yun, so far hindi pa ganun kataas ang expectation ko, kasi to be honest with you, wala akong masyadong nakitang yung talagang nagpakulad sa akin or nagpa-excite sa akin, kasi I'm a horror fan, and mapili ako sa mga ganitong movie, lalo na sa Filipino horror film, kasi we have let's be honest, yung mga horror film sa Pilipinas medyo halos pare-parehas ang kwento, and pare-parehas rin yung atake, diba? So this one, I'm still crossing my fingers na this will be a different ghost story, ghost movie, diba? Na may different na atake. And na hindi nakatipid si jump scare. But again, I'm still looking forward for this movie with Nadine Lustre. So, yun. There you go. So, kung nagustuhan nyo man yung trailer ng Nocturno na pinagbibidahan ni Nadine Lustre, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan naman yung binigay kong opinion at reaction, please mag-comment kayo dito sa baba and I will read all your comments and I will try to react or mag-reply back sa mga comments mo. So, before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my channel or the videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels, The Alaski Show, Proudly from the Vlog, at Proudly from the TV, Tumanang People Presents, and ang Pinoy Talaga channel. So, yon. There you go. Thank you very much and have a nice day to you all. Bye-bye.